Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the most out of the existing hard drives you have sitting around the house collecting dust. I have a 160 gig hard drive. I don't even remember what this came from, but it's been lying around in my drawer for like heck of days, and I feel like it's just a waste. It's just sitting there, and it could be put to better use. It could be used for storing photos, it could be used for backing up games on your console, it could be used for any type of data storage. So I'm going to be making the most out of this, and I'm going to make it into an external hard drive. First, you're going to need an enclosure. I've gone with the Insignia laptop hard drive enclosure. These retail for about $30. You can get different brands, different variations on Amazon, eBay, and tech stores around your neighborhood. So in a moment here, I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we have everything we need actually in the box of this Insignia hard drive enclosure. Screwdriver, cables, and even the controller boards in here. And then we just gonna put this in here. So I'm gonna unbox this and then get started. Be right back. So like I said, everything you need is in the box. So the whole enclosure is held together with screws. So it's very important that you take the screws off the correct side, because this whole enclosure can be taken apart completely. So if you ended up taking the whole thing apart, it's not that you can't assemble it back together, it's just you end up spending more time doing that. The first time I ever took one of these apart, I took the wrong side, and then for the life of me I was like, what the heck's going on? And then I had to reassemble it. So anyway, so pretty straightforward. Like I said, the screwdriver is included, so just give it a slight turn and unscrew this bad boy. You definitely want to keep track of these screws. You don't want to lose these things, because God knows it'll be a pain trying to find it or replace it. And see, as soon as you got that out, you saw that the whole, and that right there is the controller board. That's basically what's going to communicate between the hard drive and whatever device you have it plugged into. So pretty straightforward. Then you're going to take this, you're going to just plug that right in. You see it locks right in there, and then this is going to kind of line back up over here. Cool. And once it clicks in, it's very secure, so don't worry about it wiggling around. The metal that they use on this drive is like I don't know if it's a copper, but whatever they utilize, it disperses heat very well. It's very cool to the touch, so don't worry there. You just kind of drop that in there, and then this will line up. Everything will line back up like so. And then you tighten it, but this, don't put it too tight or over tight. Basically, as soon as it stops, you stop. Because if you over tighten it, you're going to strip the screw. And if you're trying to change it in the future or upgrade your drive, you're going to end up having a stripped screw, and then you won't be able to change it or get the hard drive out. And that's not a good thing, especially if you don't want to spend money again. And stopped. Nope, still turning. And stop. Good to go. So you have your activity light on there, the USB 3.0 port, and that's it. Pretty straightforward. And then here's the cable. You got the USB port that plugs into the controller board, and then USB 3.0 on there, and that's it. You're good to go. You plug this bad boy into your computer. You can format it in FAT32. You can actually plug it into a Mac and format it for your MacBook or your iMac, whatever you have at home. or you could plug it into your console, and then your console as well will format it for, I believe they also use the FAT32 file system as well. Other than that, thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully this tips and tricks has been useful for you. Please like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Have a good one. Peace.